Have you ever wondered what truly fuels a thriving business? Is it just about the product, the service, the market? Or is there a hidden engine, a silent partner, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure every dollar, every transaction, every financial move is not just accounted for, but optimized for growth and clarity? At Relay, we believe that silent partner is intelligent banking, and that's precisely what we've been building and refining for you. Welcome to your Essential Relay Bank Community Update, where we pull back the curtain on everything that's been happening, what's coming next, and how these developments are directly empowering your financial success. This isn't just about new features, it's about the tangible impact we're making on small and medium-sized businesses every single day. We know that the traditional banking landscape often falls short for entrepreneurs. It's cluttered, opaque, and frankly, doesn't speak the language of modern business. That's why Relay was founded, to revolutionize how you interact with your money, turning financial management from a chore into a strategic advantage. We're going to dive deep into a whole host of exciting news. From significant funding rounds that are accelerating our product development, to innovative new features designed to give you unprecedented control over your cash flow, and even a look at how real businesses just like yours are leveraging Relay to achieve their goals. We'll discuss how we're making banking work harder for you, not the other way around, and how our commitment to clarity and control is helping businesses extend their runway, make payroll confidently, and transform financial confusion into profound confidence. Let's start with a foundational piece of news that underscores our commitment to growth and innovation, the successful close of our Series B financing round. We recently raised a significant $32.2 million, led by industry giants like Bain Capital Ventures. This brings our total funding to a robust $51.6 million. Now, you might be thinking, what does a funding round mean for me, a Relay customer? It means everything. This capital isn't just sitting in an account, it's being aggressively invested back into the very platform you rely on. This funding is specifically designed to accelerate our product development in key areas, spend management, smart credit products, and building out a comprehensive financial API marketplace. Imagine even more intuitive tools to track and control every single expense, credit solutions that are truly smart and responsive to your business needs, and seamless integrations with all the other critical financial tools you use. This is the future we're building, and this investment is the rocket fuel to get us there faster. Our overarching goal? To deliver AI-powered predictive cash flow analytics to SMBs. Think about that, not just seeing where your money is, but where it's going, and how to optimize it before you even make a decision. That's the power we're striving for, and it all starts with this significant investment. Speaking of making banking work harder, let's talk about some of the incredible new features and enhancements that have rolled out recently, directly impacting your daily operations. One of the most talked about additions has been the introduction of Relay Invoices. This isn't just an invoicing tool, it's a complete receivables management solution integrated directly into your banking platform. You can now create professional invoices, accept payments seamlessly, send automated reminders, and manage all your receivables from one central location. No more jumping between different apps, no more manual follow-ups. Just faster payments and clearer cash flow. Imagine the time saved, the headaches avoided, and the improved cash flow as payments come in quicker. But we didn't stop there. We also unveiled Bills and Relay, bringing your entire bill management workflow into your banking platform. This gives you unprecedented visibility and control over your accounts payable. You can track due dates, set up approval rules, and even make batch payments to vendors. This means less scrambling to pay bills, fewer missed deadlines, and a much clearer picture of your outgoing cash. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat of your finances. And for those always striving to optimize every dollar, we've expanded our automated savings accounts. You can now earn up to 3.03% APY on your savings, with interest paid monthly. What makes this truly powerful are the auto-transfer rules. You can set up your accounts to automatically move excess cash from your operating accounts into savings, ensuring your money is always working for you. This is perfect for implementing strategies like the profit-first methodology, allowing you to easily allocate funds for profit, taxes, and operating expenses without manual intervention. It's about making saving second nature, building reserves, and putting your idle cash to work. We've also been busy enhancing our card offerings. The Relay Visa credit card is now available by invitation to qualifying Relay customers, offering another powerful tool for managing your business expenses and earning rewards. And for managing team spending, our enhanced physical and virtual Visa debit cards come with built-in spend policies and real-time tracking. No more messy reimbursements or surprise expenses. You can issue cards with spending limits and approved vendors, ensuring every dollar spent by your team is accounted for and within your control. International transactions are a crucial part of many modern businesses, and we've made significant strides here too. Our new local network International Wires offer a faster and more affordable way to send payments internationally. This is a game changer for businesses dealing with global suppliers or clients, streamlining cross-border transactions and reducing costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.